This is my FOJOJO something stylus pen for my iPad, and someone recently asked, how do you remove the tip? This manual mentions nothing about how to remove the tip, so I will cover it here. I actually just tried through trial and error how to remove this tip. I thought maybe it's tightened by this end piece, so I tried unscrewing it, but that wasn't the case. I looked at the tip over here. The tip itself, there's nothing special about it. So I did what any normal person would do, or what I thought would be normal. So I took these nose pliers. Hopefully I don't end up breaking the tip. Gently pull it out. That's it. There you have it. It's that easy to remove the tip on the FOJOJO stylus, and that's probably the reason why they didn't even tell you how to remove it, because they thought it'd be so easy. Once you have it out, you can just put it back in like this, and you're back in business. And someone asked why their light is purple or something. I need to look into that, because mine is blue, or when you're charging it, it's amber. So actually my kid doesn't use this too much, and I really want to buy a different stylus just to use on my Android tablet over here.